Hi guys, it's Darian. Thank you for coming to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I press flowers. So I made this flower press and I've used it quite a lot so far and I really like it. I can leave a link down below to the tutorial that I followed, and if you would like to see me make one, I'm sure I can give one away to someone. Currently I have this about half full, so I thought I would show you some of the stuff that I have in here right now. So here are some pansies and violas. I think that these are just so pretty. I know I say that all the time. And I think these are almost done. Oops, see how that one stuck to the paper? If it still feels a little sticky, then I don't think it's ready yet. So I'm gonna leave this layer in here. Some more pansies and violas. That's probably what mostly is in here. Oh, here's a Monstera Deliciosa leaf that I'm trying to press. It's taking a long time. Okay, so now that this is put back together, I'm going to show you how I like to press things. I've found that the easiest way is to take your flower and lay it face down. That way we're getting the surface area rather than trying to do it like this. I found that it just turns out better if you lay it like this. So I've got some purple petunias. And I just want to make sure that I'm getting it as flat as possible. I've got a black petunia. Here's a white and purple pansy. There's an orange nasturtium. This is pretty purple and yellow pansy. Oh, this was really cool. It was a Salpiglossus, I think is how you say it. And then I might be able to fit, here's a pretty little viola. Okay, so if you make this flower press that I have or something similar, you want the layering to go cardboard, parchment paper, flowers, parchment paper, and be careful not to disturb the flowers that you lay down too much, and then cardboard again. And then you just repeat that as many times as you want to. So I've got some paper, cardboard paper. I've got some of these pretty coreopsis, and I thought it would be pretty to leave them on the stem. And you can do whatever you want. I got quite a few of these. Petunia. I cut some Russian sage and some larkspur. I cut a lot of these violas, so I'm going to try and stick them in wherever I can. Well, maybe I can put one there. I just put this layer in yesterday so you can kind of see what it looks like in the process. So now I'm just going to secure this up, and we've got her full. I picked just the right amount. I plan on doing a lot of different crafts with these. If you have any ideas for me, please let me know. What inspired me to do this was Garden Answers video. I think it was this past fall where she made Christmas ornaments, and I thought that those were so pretty. I think it would also be cool if I could make some kind of gift for my wedding guests out of these. I just keep going and going until I can't tighten it anymore. I wouldn't recommend using a wrench or anything because you want to be able to unscrew it with your hands. And I find that they get flat enough just by hand twisting. I just let this sit for 2 to 3 weeks, and I find that they're completely flat and dry. Once again, I'll leave the article that I found on how to make this down below. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe. I upload new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I'll see you guys later.